In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use checkboxes in Airtable. We'll start by getting into your workspace, log into Airtable and open the base where you want to track tasks. If you already have a task table, use that. If not, create a simple table to hold your to-dos so everything lives in one place. Next, add a field that will act as your completion switch. Click the plus button to add a new field. Choose checkbox as the field type and name it something clear like completed or done. I like to keep this column near the task name so you can mark things off without scrolling. Now, populate your table with tasks. Create a record for each item and fill in task name, due date, priority, and assigned to. Even if you start with just the name, you can add the other details as you go. Clear fields make filters and views much more powerful later. Quick mid-video note. If you need Airtable, there's a link to the website at the top of the description. And if you prefer the mobile or desktop app, you'll also find a download link right there. When work gets done, use your new checkbox. Clicking it instantly marks the task as completed and gives you an at-a-glance indicator across the row. It's simple, fast, and keeps your list honest. To focus on what matters, apply a filter. Show only tasks where completed is checked to review what's done, or show where it's unchecked to see what's still pending. This is perfect for daily stand-ups or end-of-week reviews. You can also sort by the checkbox field. Sort so unchecked items rise to the top and checked items drop to the bottom. That way, the most important work is always front and center, while finished tasks quietly move out of the way. Bring your tracking to life with other views. Switch to Kanban to group tasks by status or assignee, or flip to calendar to see due dates. Your checkbox updates automatically across every view, so you never chase stale information. Finally, add optional automations. When a task is checked, trigger an email, update another table, or notify team members. Start simple, test your trigger, and expand as your workflow matures. That's how to use checkboxes in Airtable to track task completion. If this helped, give it a like and check the links in the description. Thanks for watching.